And that creates a high element of what in the relationship? Trust. Key word. Everyone said it almost in unison. Trust. When Dan and I chatted, one of the things that Dan said to me is, Jeff, as you deepen and strengthen the relationships, that creates more trust. Trust is what's going to drive the future relationship, the results in the revenue. And he added this. Trust is what will also drive referrals. Trust for you is a significant differentiator. Trust for you will be a significant driver for future success. How do you develop the trust? You do it not with the statements that you make, but the questions that you ask. You do it with power probes. And power probes, your ability to discover what somebody wants to accomplish, problem solve, need fill, dream or goal, and get, it will be for you a differential competitive advantage. If you want to demonstrate your expertise, your credibility, your reliability, your trustworthiness, ask great questions.